Hi Piscean. So this is your extended Instagram's monthly messages for the month of July, and we are going to dive deeper into your reading. What were the messages? What you have to do solo and what not, and why are you getting this feeling? But before that, if you're new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please note this is a general reading, so may or may not resonate to all the Pisceans. Take what resonate and leave the rest. And take your readings from Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. All right. So let's get into your reading. So what I'm understanding here, Pisceans, is that before, uh, maybe since always you've always felt that you do not fit in the society, or people do not become your friends, or they are not loyal to you, and people use you. And if you were in relationships, then you must have felt that you were the one who's always doing more, and then people leave you or betray you, and you've always felt that, is there something wrong with me, is there something wrong within me that people always do this to me? And then I think you just somehow let things go, or because forcefully I think people let you go, and you were left all alone, and then you were like focused on your own things, doing your work, or you found a job or something like that. And then when you were just focused on yourself, I think you got some people around you, not maybe not the relationships, but as friends or colleagues or something. And you are kind of living a good life right now. I see that there are people around you who've been treating you well or treating you good, and also because you've got the maturity and you are not no longer attached that I want people. And whenever we let that feeling go, uh, as they say that needing nothing gives you everything, right? So when you have let that feeling go, that okay, I don't want it, if I get it, okay, if I don't get it, okay. So now suddenly there are people around you who've been starting to treat you well. Now when they have started to treat you well, you are kind of happy, you are getting that acknowledgement, you are getting that creditation from people that yes, so this person, this Pisces is good and all of that, and they are becoming your friends, and you are in good company of people and all of that. Now that is enough for you, that is enough for your soul, your ego boost. And this has also made you realize that, all right, um, it's not something that is lacking in me. I think I was enough for myself and for people. It was my that need, that too much of need, that I want relationship or I want that person, and whatever it was. So right now you are satisfied with whatever you are getting. At least you have understood that there is nothing wrong with me, and because of this, now you want to go solo. Now you are valuing that alone time more. When God was giving you that alone time, people were leaving you, that time you were not appreciating that time. God was giving you that time for your own benefit, for your own upliftment, for you to learn something, for you to give that love or care to yourself. Because Pisces is a water sign. It is emotional by default. Pisces has a lot of emotions to give. So when we say a lot of emotions to give, so why not to give first of all to yourself? And whenever we learn something or start to do something, anything, we need those emotions. Whenever we put our emotions into learning something new or doing something new for ourselves, it is then a lot more fruitful than just to do something. For example, if you're learning to dance, if you're putting your emotions into it, you will learn easier, and your learning will be easier. Plus you will enjoy it, and your dance will be better than other people, because you've put in your emotions and your creativity. So God wanted you to take that alone time since childhood and put that to yourself, because you had a lot of potential to do something new. That's what I'm getting in the reading. But you took it in the wrong way, that people always leave me, nobody wants to be around me, because then you were investing those emotions in people. And when you give those emotions for free to people, people don't value that, you know that. Because whatever is given for free is not valued, or it loses value easily, or people know that yeah, this Piscean will be always there for me, I can just call them and they'll be available whenever I call them. So people were taking you for granted because you were taking your alone time for granted. So then finally when things shattered and everything was destroyed for you, that's when you decided to go and do your work, concentrate on your work and all of that. And suddenly there were people around you who started to become your friends, or good group started to become for you, good neighbors or good friends or good colleagues, something like that happened, and you're enjoying with them. Maybe you're having some trips also with them, or going out enjoying with them, on the weekends maybe. But now you've had enough. You're like, okay, I get the validation that it's not something wrong with me, and people do like me. I've got that. Now I want to go alone. Now you want that alone time, because now you're like, okay, now I want to do some things for myself. So this is exactly what God was teaching you before. But it's okay, never too late. So now you're seeing things from a different perspective. Now you want to go alone and learn some things because you've spiritually evolved. It's not because you're sad or anything. You know that you can use your alone time for yourself. And that's where you need to understand one thing, that whenever something is happening in our life, it is because our soul is manifesting. If something is desperately if something has to be desperately in our lives, I'll tell you what, soul will manifest within 2 seconds. Sometimes when you feel to eat something and you're like, oh, I wish to eat something, and sometimes what happens, somebody is coming to your house as a guest and they're bringing you the same thing to eat, and you're like, oh, I should have asked something else from the God today, and that would have been fulfilled. Has it happened to you? Right? That is a proof. That has happened with everybody. That is a proof that if our soul desperately wants something, you will manifest it within 2 seconds. So if you really, really want a relationship, you can manifest that in 2 seconds. That's not a problem. But if that was not happening, if you were not getting those people who valued you, or people were always leaving you, because it was your soul manifesting that, because your soul wanted to be alone, and now you understand that, now you value that alone time. Now, why do you have to be alone? For different Pisceans, it will be different reasons, because maybe all the Pisceans here listening to it, maybe you have higher purpose and you have to learn something individually for the benefit of yourself or for your family or for the world. So now you will be able to find that, because now your heart is at peace, your mind is at peace, that yes, people do like me and all of that. So you need to like yourself first. People will always like you, that's not a problem. But you were looking for validation from people. So now this is what I will say, that if you're resonating with this reading, this is your time to affirm. Put your affirmation in the comment section and say that people like me, universe loves me, people love me, I am enough for myself, I love myself. Whatever works for you, any line of these 4 lines that I have told. I love myself, people love me, universe loves me, I don't need validation from people, I know how to utilize my time alone, I will not be scared of alone time now, I will be going alone and doing my work, learning things. I think the best thing that you have to affirm is that I am not scared to spend my time alone. So whatever line works for you, affirm it, mean it, and then always believe in that after this video. Alright, Pisceans, so those were the messages for you for the month of July, extended Instagram reading. And if you still have doubts that what do you have to do, learn alone, you can book a personal reading with me. The link is in the description box below. Or also please do like, share and subscribe to the channel if you've still not done that. And that's it, Pisceans, take care, bye bye, happy July.